Lord Sri Ram decided to perform the Ashwamedha Yajna. An Ashwamedha Yajna could only be performed by a king. Its object was the acquisition of general prosperity, sovereignty, and power over the neighboring provinces.
In this yajna, a horse is set loose to wander around and is guarded by the king's men. If it wandered into other kingdoms and if that king stopped the horse, they had to face the army of the king conducting the yajna. But if they allowed the horse to pass, that meant that they accepted that the king conducting the yajna was more powerful than him.
After the horse went all around the world, he was coming back to Ayodhya. On the banks of the Tamsa river, Love and Kush saw it and decided to tie it to a tree. Shatrugna also followed it with his army, and Love and Kush challenged him to a battle. They took out a blade of grass and counterattacked Shatrugna's snake weapon, and Shatrugna fell unconscious. Lakshmana was informed that Shatrugna has fallen, so he ordered Bharat to go and fight with Lava and Kush.
Bharata took out his Brahmastra, but before he could even chant his mantras, Love and Kush sent two Brahmastras which were approaching him. Bharata was burned and fell unconscious.
The messenger ran and told Lakshman that Bharata also fell, so Lakshmana decided to go himself. It was tough to beat Lakshman, but finally he got shot down, wounded. And as the news reached Ayodhya, Lord Sri Ram was upset. He decided to go himself, but Hanuman insisted on going instead. Love and Kush called some boys and told them to sing Ram Kirtan. Hanuman, intending to fight with them, got so engrossed in the Ram Kirtan that he forgot what he had come to do.
All the saintly people like Gautama, Vashishta, Vishwamitra, as well as the citizens of Ayodhya, accompanied Lord Ram and came to the forest. They saw Love and Kush playing next to the horse. Love and Kush completely